Rouge 1630, wind 220, 10 gust 15, clear takeoff, runway 33 left.
Takeoff 33 left, Rouge 1630.
780 tower, line up runway 33 left.
I'm 33 left, Sunwing 780.
Sunwing 780, wind 2309, gust 15, clear takeoff, runway 33 left.
Clear takeoff 33 left, Sunwing 780.
WestJet 2520 tower, line up runway 33 left.
733 left, WestJet 2520.
WestJet 2520, wind 250 at 10, clear takeoff, runway 33 left.
Takeoff 33 left, WestJet 2520.
Sunwing 9289 tower, line up runway 33 left.
Line up runway 33 left, Sunwing 9289.
Sunwing 9289, wind 250, 10 gust 15, clear takeoff, runway 33 left.
Clear takeoff, runway 33 left, Sunwing 9289.
Sunwing 602 tower, caution jet blast behind the A350, line up and wait runway 33 left.
Line up and wait 33 left, crossing 602.
Sunwing 602, caution turbulence from the A350, wind 240 at 11, clear takeoff, runway 33 left.
Clear takeoff 33 left, crossing 602.
So 693 tower, line up runway 33 left.
Line up runway 33 left, Aeromexico 693.
Mexico 693, wind 250 at 12, clear takeoff, runway 33 left.
Clear for takeoff, runway 33 left, Aeromexico 693, thank you.
Mexico 693, contact departure 128.8.
Departure 2828, Aeromexico 693, thank you.